For this math activity, it is a review of some of the concepts we've been working on in math. So number 1, you have to solve using quick tens. So in the space below, you have to draw to solve the problem. You have to show your work using quick tens and extra ones. Then write your answer on the lines. Number 2, solve using number bonds. Now you can choose to use the make a 10 strategy, skip counting by tens, or adding tens to tens and ones to one, like we've been practicing in class. But you have to have a number bond with the strategy that you choose and write the answer on the line. Number 3, solve using quick tens and ones. Remember to line up your tens and ones with ones and write the total below your drawing. So you have to draw it, but remember you have to draw to show 29 up top, then draw to show 48 below, and write the answer below the picture. Number 4, solve using quick tens and ones. Remember to line up your drawings and rewrite the number sentence vertically. That means up and down. So just like before, you have to draw 45 up here, 39 using quick tens down here, write the answer below it. Then you have to rewrite this problem, 45 plus 39 equals, and then your answer. Don't forget to write the answer up top. So you're going to do that with A, B, C, and D.